of the day, and we're in such a dark area. Uh-oh. Darn it. Having a little malfunction here. A little bit stuck. A little bit stuck. Over the stream here. I need to get it low. Maybe it's not a stream. Maybe it's just an area that collects water. So they filled it in with big rocks. A lot of rocks and there's a lot of roots. So, if it's your first time riding an ATV, you might want to just stick with the main road. Yeah. I'm not into mud puddles either, but here I go. I'm going to have to turn it off.